Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News. Ka East Shillong Block Congress Committee la khra kalayo ban seyu kartong usamla Manuel Badwar banyakhun pyrshah iaka MLA Phet Seng Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh haka election jong usnem arhaja arphulai ka East Shillong Block Congress Committee kabla depshong perkhat ban penmi kartong nakabenta ke election arhaja arphulai yakaba la deb ban penbana pai ba do President Rangba ka Seng Congress Meghalaya uma Vincent H Pala haka jingya donlang uba PNCM MDC kamau pentor khra rengkat working president ka MPCC bat uba Roni V Lyngdoh MDC Melim constituency bat kinongkit kam ka Manila Congress ya kate ka jing penbana kartong ka Seng Congress ha Shillong East kala penlong ha Anton Hall la khra.
I didn't experience myself when I visited. I think my constituency in Sujna is one of the biggest constituency in Meghalaya, but I made a point to visit at least every house in the constituency, door to door. We started right from 8 o'clock in the morning up to 12 o'clock at night. So I request here also here also is Shillong. Please visit door to door. I keep on insisting, Bah Manuel, I am still insisting, please visit door to door. Sometimes it may not be possible for a candidate to personally visit the houses, but his family members, the party workers, both from the Mahilas, from the youth, make a program, make a plan, and try to visit every concern, every house. And sometimes, it is always in our mind that if we don't have money, then we may not be success in our election. I think I've seen many times we fought the elections, be it in Roy, be it in different, even Joy, even in Korea, in different processes, where the people used to spend crores of money, but they did not win the election. But people who work hard spend less money with a proper plan, they used to win the election.
Come on, sure. Kini tam kinomi kama kiebele kiebesi. Upaya kami kapne piwan kumate piwa pie Seng Congress. Mentani temen masami dorong, mende hamoklam. Kumne ki pada kidon banesno Seng Congress. Kalau dari kapor bangin pertahanan Seng Congress.